Vacuum, wash and dry, all in one effortless step. With the Vacmaster EasyClean HSC Hard Floor Cleaner. Its ultra-absorbent powered microfiber roller delivers a deep clean, leaving your floors spotless and streak-free. Delivers up to 45 minutes of cordless freedom. And because it vacuums and absorbs as it cleans, your floors are dry and ready to walk on in seconds. And a battery status update screen for uninterrupted cleaning. With a hygienic dual tank system and self-clean cycle, it's always fresh and ready for next time. With the Vacmaster EasyClean HSC Hard Floor Cleaner. Vacuum, wash and dry, all in one go.